Elegance is not about being noticed, it's about being remembered. The Reborn Cadillac in blue is a masterpiece that blends classic luxury with modern innovation, standing as a true icon in automotive history. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the exterior captivates with its sleek aerodynamic body lines, chrome-accented grille, and signature LED headlights that maintain Cadillac's legendary presence. The deep blue finish gleams under soft lighting, reflecting sophistication and power, while the polished white garage floor enhances its bold stance. Every curve, from the sculpted hood to the elegantly elongated tail, speaks of craftsmanship and prestige. Step inside, and you're greeted with pure automotive luxury. Premium leather seats with detailed stitching, a wood-trimmed dashboard, and a digital meets analog instrument cluster that perfectly balances nostalgia and technology. The steering wheel, wrapped in fine leather, features chrome accents, offering a grip that exudes confidence and control. Soft ambient lighting enhances the premium materials, while the infotainment system seamlessly integrates modern convenience with Cadillac's timeless design philosophy. Under the hood lies the true heart of this beast, a high-performance V8 engine, meticulously engineered for power and smooth acceleration. Chrome-plated components, polished metal finishes, and advanced fuel injection technology make this powerhouse a perfect blend of raw muscle and refined performance. Beyond its looks and performance, this Cadillac represents a statement of prestige, history, and innovation. Whether it's parked in a luxurious 1990s-style garage, roaring down an open highway, or turning heads in the city, this machine is more than just a car. It's an experience. The fusion of classic American muscle and modern luxury ensures that this reborn Cadillac isn't just a ride. It's a legend reborn for a new generation. What do you think of this reborn classic? Rate it from 1 to 10 in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the for more legendary car content.